There are very few cases in the world of kite design where high performance and ease of use collide. The Switchblade is just one of those rare cases. The Switchblade is the world's premier wake-style kite, powering the likes of Andre Philipp to legendary status in his pursuit of core wake-style riding. One of the elements that makes this kite so perfect for both wake-style and all-around freestyle riding is its predictability. It has pitch-perfect balance when riding unhooked and a light bar pressure when riding hooked in. The new Switchblade has undergone a few strategic improvements in 2013 to enhance its efficiency and turning speed, yet does not compromise the legendary feel that has made the Switchblade the world's best-selling kite model.